Good morning. Today's my lecture topic is four-stroke petrol engine. In four-stroke petrol engine, there are four strokes are available. One is suction stroke, second one is compression stroke, third one is power stroke, fourth one is exhaust stroke. In the power suction stroke, during suction stroke, the piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center in the cylinder. During suction stroke, the inlet valve will be opened and the air fuel mixtures entered into the engine cylinder through the inlet valve from the carburetor. The carburetor purpose is to mix the air and fuel. That is the purpose of carburetor. Through the inlet valve, the air fuel mixture sucked into the engine cylinder, and at the end of the stroke, it reaches the bottom dead center (BDC). Then, during the compression stroke, that is second stroke, the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. During this time, both the inlet and exhaust valves are in closed position. So, during compression stroke, the pressure and temperature of the air fuel mixture inside the engine cylinder is too high. At the end of the compression stroke, when the piston reaches the top dead center, we are giving spark to the combustion mixture through the spark plug. The spark plug will produce the spark, so that already the available high pressure temperature gases inside the cylinder is burnt off, so the sudden explosion takes place. So during the compression stroke, at the end of the compression stroke, the blast will happen inside the engine cylinder, so the piston moves fastly by downward from TDC to BDC. That stroke is called the power stroke. During power stroke, the piston is forcefully moved from the top dead center to bottom dead center. So the power stroke will be created. So the crankshaft will rotate. Already the piston is connected to the crankshaft via the connecting rod. The connecting rod purpose is to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. That is the function of the connecting rod. So during the power stroke, the crankshaft will be rotated and the engine gets power, so the flywheel will start to rotate, so the wheels will be moved. This power stroke is very important. The final stroke is exhaust stroke. During exhaust stroke, already burnt gases are inside the engine cylinder. The piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. So the burnt gases like CO2, CO, NOx, all the gases inside the engine cylinders are sent out through the exhaust valve to the atmosphere via the silencer. This is the exhaust stroke. When all the four strokes are completed, again the cycle is repeated. So the petrol engine works on the principle of Otto cycle. Otto cycle is the four-stroke cycle where the petrol engine operates via the cycle. The cycle will be repeated continuously, so the power will be developed always. This is the working principle of four-stroke petrol engine. The advantages of four-stroke petrol engines are lightweight and compact, easier to operate, complete combustion. These are all the advantages of the four-stroke engine, petrol engine. In four-stroke diesel engine, in four-stroke petrol engine, the disadvantages is the petrol maybe gets a slow, it cannot burn completely. So 90% of the petrol is burned, but the remaining 10% will be wasted. So that is the only disadvantage. And the fuel cost is high. In the petrol fuel cost is high when compared to diesel. So this is the main disadvantage. In applications of the petrol engine it is applied in all two-wheelers and four-wheelers wherever the petrol engines are used. So this is the main advantage. Even though the petrol cost is high, the operation is very smooth. It is working on the Otto cycle, so the operation is very smooth. So the complete combustion will take place in the petrol engine. So that's all the working principle of petrol engine, 4-stroke petrol engine.